Hello everyone, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, here is where I ignite your desire to become your most successful self. Today is the first Wednesday of the month, which means I would be sharing a law of attraction manifestation process. This manifestation process would be easier to understand if you've watched Monday's video on reticular active system, which is the gatekeeper of our brain. The manifestation process I would be discussing is called the 17-second rule. Abraham and Jerry Hicks created it, and they explained it as, with only a few seconds on focusing your attention on a subject, you activate the vibration of that subject within you, and immediately the law of attraction begins to respond to that activation. The longer you keep your attention focused on something, the easier it becomes for you to continue to focus upon it, because you are attracting it. Through the law of attraction, other thoughts or vibration that are the essential of the thoughts you begin with. Within 17 seconds of focusing on something, a matching vibration becomes activated. And now, as that focus becomes stronger and the vibration becomes clearer, the law of attraction will bring to you more thoughts that match. At this point, the vibration will not have much attraction power, but if you maintain your focus longer, the power of the vibration will become further reaching. If you manage to stay purely focused upon any thought for as little as 68 seconds, the vibration is powerful enough that its manifestation begins. When you repeatedly return to a pure thought, maintaining it for 68 seconds in a short period of time, be it hours in some cases or few days in others, that thought becomes a dominant thought. And once you achieve a dominant thought, you will experience matching manifestations until you change it. Remember that the thoughts you think equal your point of attraction. You get what you think about, whether you want it or not. Your thoughts equal vibration, and the law of attraction then answers the vibration. As your vibration expands and becomes more powerful, it eventually becomes powerful enough for manifestation to occur. Are you enjoying this so far? Click on the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you to all those who have. Share the video with anyone that would see the value. There are so many ways the 17-second manifestation process can be utilized. This is the way I would recommend it. First is to get into a good feeling place, using a memory or a positive thing that happened in your life. Then choose a thought that you want to manifest. It can be a goal or an affirmation, as they are powerful statement which carries emotions, and these emotions would make it easier to stay focused on a passing thought. Now is the time to set a timer, yes, for 17 seconds. The goal is to hold the positive thought for the duration of the timer. And once you've nailed it with no contradicting thoughts, you can then reset it for longer, at least 68 seconds. It is enough for the manifestation to start becoming a reality. So treat it as a bit of fun And remember, your thoughts are only a piece of the puzzle, and there are other aspects as well, such as taking action. Anyway, this is a fun experiment to try, and if anything, it would also assist in strengthening your meditation practice. I'm interested. What do you think? Is the 17-second rule something you have heard of, or have you tried it yourself? I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And if you've got a question, so go ahead and leave a comment below. And remember to be you, do you, and bye for now.